Liubov loves to sew and embroider. Her creations rarely go unnoticed. In her spare time, she creates carnival costumes for herself and her two sons.
Our family is a family of those who create with their hands. Since I was a child, I would do everything by hand that I could.
More than 5 years ago, her family took part in a local Spanish carnival. Liubov designed all the costumes herself. Now, taking part in the festivities is her family's new tradition. This year, Liubov decided to take part in the Venice Carnival. She started preparing a year before the trip, tirelessly working on the designs of the shoes, accessories and masks.
It was all done by hand. I've been embroidering one skirt with golden lining for more than 1.5 months. It took 120 meters of golden thread.
In Venice, Liubov presented her creations. 2 were worn by her sons and the third one she wore herself. The suits were recognized by the judges for their fine details. Liubov described her experience.
Frankly, it was very hard to wear masks. Plus, I had a headdress and a crown. I don't know how much it weighs, but not less than 2 kilograms. The skirt is also very heavy.
Unfortunately, Liubov was not able to take part in the finals of the carnival competition for family reasons. She plans to take a break for the next 2 years. Anna Romanovska, UATV.